Okay children, then the continuation of first part. So this up to fifth formula, then sixth one, a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n if m greater than n. So here one more formula is there for this only, then 1 by a power n minus m if n greater than m. See children, here for this we can use these two formulas, but based on the powers. So in the numerator power is big one, then use this one. Then in the numerator power big one, you have to use this one. So here one example problem, 5 power 7 by 5 power 3. See here bases are equal, powers are different, but here numerator, in the numerator 5 power 7, so here 7 is big one than 3. So that's why we have to use first formula. So 5 power 7 minus 3, that is equal to 5 power 4. Means this base we should multiply 4 times. So in the power what number we are getting? In the power what number we are getting? So the base we have to multiply that many times. If 4 in the power 5, we should multiply 4 times. If 7 in the power, then 5 we should multiply 7 times. Children, very carefully, right? So small problems, easy problems, but the formulas you have to keep in your mind while simplifying the problem. So where we will get which formula, so the which formula we have to use in which place, that is very important. So you have to observe carefully and recognize the given problem. Means for the given problem we can use the which one out of the all the formulas. So that we have to find out first. First we have to recognize. So the next formula, right, a power m is equal to a power n, right, that implies m is equals to n. See, the seventh formula and the second formula, just you compare once, then these similarly both are same, but here some small differences are there. See, a power m into a power n, the bases are equal in the multiplication symbol, then power should be added. But here in the seventh one, a power m is equal to a power n, bases are equal, then in the equal symbol is there. Then when we are making these two as equal, then the powers also equal. Very important. A power m is equal to a power n implies and implied m is equal to n. Means if bases are equal, then powers also equal. If the powers are equal, then bases also equal. Very important formula, children. So remember carefully. The next one is a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. Means, for example, 2 power minus 3. So here minus is there in the power, we can write 1 by 2 power 3. So already one example I told you, 10 power 0 is equal to 1, then 10 power minus 1. Then how we will get this 1, we will divide with 10. So here 10 power minus 2 means 1 by 10 power 2, like. So if a minus is there, then 1 by. If 1 by we will take, then minus we can take. So these are the formulas, children. the very important, based on these formulas, we will discuss, or we are going to simplify the problems which are there in the exercises. So before that, then once example problems, let us discuss now. See once. So shall I rub these, children? See here, okay? Just you, these formulas, just you have to copy in your notes and just go through these formulas and learn 2 or 3 times. Then one problem, let us see. Right. So here they will ask, find the value of 2 power 3 into 2 power take 6, the first one, and second one is 3 power 7 whole power 2. Next, third one, 2 power minus 3 whole power 5. See, children. So solution, given that the first one I am finding 2 power 3 into 2 power 6. So here, so which formula we can use here? So bases are equal, in the middle multiply symbol is there, then we should add powers. So means 2 power 3 plus 6, since a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. By using this formula, 2 power 3 plus 6, that is equal to 2 power 9. See, children, here in the power we are getting 9. So you remember one thing, up to power means 2 power 5, means in the power up to 5 is there, then you simplify. Then more than 5, just you let it, right? Don't do simplification, because you will get more 10 times, 9 times, 15 times. Why multiplication? Just up to 5 you multiply. Okay, children? Right. So here this is second one. Right. Next, actually 2 power 9 is 512, but you will get some difficult while multiplying, so that's why just let it. Then so 2 power 9 is answer. Next, second one, 3 power 7 power 7. So power of the power, so we know powers should be multiplied, since a power m whole power n, a power m into n, that is equal to 3 power 14. Right. Next, third one, 2 power minus 3 power 5. So first power of the power, 2 power minus 3 into 5, since a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. So formulas, very important, children, compulsory you have to write formulas. Then 2 power minus 15. So again here we can use one more formula. So here which formula? 1 by 2 power 15, since a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. So this is answer, children. So for the given problems, so which formula is very suitable, so we have to take that formula. By using that we have to solve the problems, very easy problems. So, but all the problems based on the given formulas only we have to simplify. So, let us discuss the problems in the next video.